This is Jerry's Market Watch for April 22nd. In this commentary, we're discussing world wheat crop conditions. The drought in the U.S. Southern Plains has expanded over the past month. During April, the hard red winter wheat crop in the U.S. received less than 25% of normal precipitation. On top of the drought-like conditions, western Kansas experienced freezing temperatures this past weekend. There is severe yield drag. We're estimating the U.S. hard red winter wheat crop in the range of 16 to 17 million tons. This is down from 22 million tons last year. In Russia, crop reports describe the wheat as good to satisfactory for most of the winter wheat growing region. The concern for Russia is twofold. First, the 30 to 60-day weather forecast calls for below normal precipitation for a large portion of the winter wheat area. The forecast for June is particularly concerning because of the limited precipitation. Secondly, there are increased costs moving wheat from the interior into port position. At this stage, we're forecasting a minor year-over-year decrease in Russian wheat production. We're expecting the wheat market to incorporate a major risk premium later in June due to the weather forecast. If it's dry in Russia, the wheat market can jump 50 cents to $1 per bushel pretty easily. Now in Europe, Germany and France appear to be in good shape for the most part. There are some drier pockets, but nothing of major concern at this time. Europe had a bumper crop last year. This year, conditions are considered average or normal. Last year, Europe had a soft wheat crop of 136 million tons. We're forecasting a crop closer to 125 million tons this year. Now, the spring wheat fundamentals in North America are expected to tighten for the 2026-27 crop year. As of April 19th, North Dakota was 9% planted on hard red spring wheat, which is average for this time of year. In Western Canada, we've seen some field work and seeding progress in southern Alberta. Over the next couple weeks, we expect to see progress start in Manitoba and expanding field work in Alberta and southern Saskatchewan. Most of the wheat in Saskatchewan will be seeded during the third week of May. There are frost forecasts for Saskatoon for May 6th and 7th, so farmers in central Saskatchewan will only start seeding after May 15th. Now, U.S. spring wheat acres will be down from last year. We're forecasting a U.S. hard red spring wheat crop of 9.6 million tons, down from 12.4 million tons last year. In Canada, we're forecasting a spring wheat crop of 27.3 million tons. This is down 2 million tons from the 2025 output. So in conclusion, all major exporters in the Northern Hemisphere will experience a year-over-year decline in production. This will result in higher prices for the 2026-27 crop year. If you would like more information on the wheat market, feel free to check out our website and subscribe to the Resilient Grain and Oilseed Analysis. Our analysis helps farmers keep on top of world crop conditions. This year, it's extremely important.